Musicall.
It's time to learn. Let's go.
In the previous episode, we have learned notes with stems. Now let's learn more about stems with tails.
Stem with tails.
Yes, they are called quavers and semiquavers.
Quavers and semiquavers.
Correct. Let's do a quick recap on the note values. First, we have a semibreve. Half the value of a semibreve is a minim, and half of that is a crotchet. Let's imagine that one crotchet is equivalent to a whole pizza.
I like pizza.
If we slice the pizza into half, we have two halves, and each half is now a quaver.
I get it. If two halves of pizza make a whole pizza, two quavers will make one crotchet.
Yes, that's correct. Brilliant. Now, to draw the quaver note on the stave, we first draw a darkened note head with a stem, like a crotchet. Then, at the top of the stem, we add a tail like this.
So that's the tail.
For the quaver rest, we draw a dot just below line 4, and then we draw a number 7 like this. Now remember, the quaver rest is only positioned within space 2 and 3 on the stave. When we have two quavers side by side, we will combine both together, removing the tail and joining them with a beam. So when two quavers are side by side, the first quaver is called the strong beat, and the second quaver will be the offbeat. In the example, the music is in a 2/4 time signature. Listen to the counts in each bar and notice the bar with the quaver notes. 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 1, 2. Now you try, Ruby.
1, 2, 1 and 2 and 1, 2.
Nice! Now we know that a quaver is half a pizza. If we cut half of that pizza, we will get a quarter. This will be called a semiquaver. Now can you guess how many quarters make a whole pizza?
We need 4 quarters to make a whole pizza. Oh, so we need 4 semiquavers to make one crotchet.
Well done, Ruby! You're getting the hang of this already. Now, to draw a semiquaver on the stave, first you draw a quaver and you add one more tail to make it a semiquaver, like this. Similarly, to draw the rest, first you draw a quaver rest, then add an extra tail at the bottom. Take note that the semiquaver rest is only positioned within space 1, 2, and 3 on the stave. When we have 4 semiquavers side by side, we join them with 2 beams because the semiquaver has 2 tails. The first semiquaver will be the strong beat, followed by the second one called E, followed by N for the third one, and for the last one. If we read them together like the example shown, it will be 1 E N In this example, the music is in a 3/4 time signature. Listen to the counting and observe the bar with the semiquaver notes. 1 E N 2 E N 3. 1 and 2, 3. Now you try, Ruby.
1 E and 2 E and 3. 1 and 2, 3.
Very good, Ruby. That's all for today's episode. In our next episode, we will be learning how to count steps on the piano keyboard and how we apply them in music.
Count steps on the piano keyboard?
Yes, Watch the next episode to find out how and why. Meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. You can also click on the notification bell to receive updates on our new videos.
See you in the next episode.